Well, hello everybody. This is Greg, back with another stack of $100 bills. And let's see if we can find us some star notes today. And right off the bat, we got 3 zeros, pair of 3s, and a pair of 7s. Starting out good. These bills look to be in pretty good shape, which is kind of fun to work with. Get some of them that are so beat up, But these are very good. Yeah, how's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's doing well. Here up in the North Country, we're dealing with kind of a early spring snowstorm. So it's a nice, wet, sloppy one out there. So just what we need, right? So now here we got a pair of 5s and 9s and 0s on this one. Nice little bill. Got one of those stamps on there. I see a lot of those stamps and I just wonder what the heck those are. Haven't been able to locate any info on that yet. So, pair of 8s. Yeah, and the last several star notes I found, there was no rareness to any of those bills, so they're pretty standard, run-of-the-mill, and which happens. So, hey, if this was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? So anyway, we're gonna see if we can find us one today. Look here, we got a pair of bookends, 66s and pair of 7s on the ends. Same here, 11s and 0s on the end there, so that's kind of cool. Doesn't mean anything, but just a little bit of coolness factor there. Pair of 6s on that one. And yeah. Pair of 6s here again. Pair of 7s, 0s. And I got 3 8s on here. Lucky number 8s. Yeah, back when I did that casino video, I did end up getting, with the lucky 7s and lucky 8s compared to the 666s, I did get a little extra playing time. But, here a pair of 8s. As a casino manager one time told me, doesn't matter, we're going to get all your money anyway. And that they did very quickly. So, pair of 1s, pair of 0s and 1s there. You love it when they're at least honest with you, right? So, pair of 8s. And not much there in that one. Pair of 8s there. Thank you everybody for hanging in with me and doing the subscribe. I got to thank all the other subscribers out there. Holy cows, we're up to 1,600 people subscribing, so I really appreciate that. Let's keep it going. The new goal, obviously, is we got to get up to 2,000 now. So that's how that works. Keep taking and extending the field goal, right? Pair of 9s. Oh, look at all the 4s there. So I had a $100 bill that had 6 5s all strung out together. Pair of 7s, and that was cool. Oh, and here we go. We got us a star note right off the bat. Very good. What do we got here? 2009 A series. And, yeah, I mean, he's got an obvious fold on there. A couple little folds in there. He doesn't look too bad of shape, just at the looking at him here. The borders are all pretty nice. And of course, what I got to do is look into the rareness factor on that one. As far as the numbers themselves, doesn't look like it's very cool factor numbers there at all. But it is sure nice to find another star note. Good. Let's see if we can find us another one. You know, as The last stack, I think we found like 2 or 3 of them. That was pretty crazy. But very good. Well, check with that. And yes, let's keep on rocking here. Ones and twos on that one. Had a lot of interesting numbers on this deck so far. But yeah, the 1st of April. Pair of 5s there. Look at all the 7s. Yeah, for the 1st of April. Can't believe this year's gone by so dang fast. Pair of 6s. Well, I didn't get banned from that last video. I was talking about pair of 5s there. How you got to watch what you're saying. And yeah, you really do. Things, it doesn't take much to get, I don't want to say in trouble, but I guess you are getting in trouble with YouTube, you know. Oh, look at here. 44s and 44s on each end. Yeah, they, when it comes to especially political stuff, and it seems to be only one side that tends to get all the bad penalizing, if you want to call it that. So you really have to watch it. Well, now look at here. You got 1s, 9s, 8s, and 7s there. Now that's kind of a cool number. I want to look up the coolness factor. I'm going to set this guy aside and look up the coolness factor on him. So that's kind of neat. You get, what was it, 4 pair there, so cool. Yeah, so like I say, you gotta watch it. But, yeah. Wow, look at all, now look at here. 4 4s, pair of 9s, pair of 1s. Well, that's kind of a cool number there too, so. Very interesting. Here's an old bill. It looks in pretty dang good shape. He is from, where's he at? 2006. So he's almost 20 years old. Really good shape for how old he is. So probably just pulled him out of into circulation recently. So pair of 7s, pair of 3s. Pair of 7, pair of 3s again. Pair of 8s. There's another old one. Another 2006 on this guy. So, yeah, what do we got here? Nothing much. 5s and 7s. Nothing too much there. Oh, look at there. Oh, look at there. 7s and 8s on this guy. Oh, there's the old dreaded one right there. Every pile's got one, it seems like. I don't know how. It never ends. Pair of 3s and a pair of 1s. Well, look at there. That is it for us today. And I'm going to get that. And then I've got the unique number there. I'm going to check into him. And along with that star note right there. So very good. I like it. Well, we'll take a look at all this, and please do the old subscribe thing, and hopefully comment. I like all the comments I've been getting, and share and like and all the rest of it. But I thank you so much, and we shall talk to you guys again.